Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we are going to solve x power 6 is equals to 4 power 6 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So method 1 is you can take 6th root on both sides. Now according to exponent rule, nth root a we can write it as a power 1 by n. So it becomes x power 6 power 1 by 6 is equals to 4 power 6 power 1 by 6. Now another exponent rule, x power m power n, we can write it as x power mn. So it becomes x power 6 times 1 by 6 is equals to 4 power 6 times 1 by 6. So x is equals to 4 or x is equals to minus 4 because a power n is equals to b power n. So a is equals to plus minus b if n is even. Now method 2. So x 4 power 6, I can write it as 2 power 2 whole power 6. Now apply the same rule, x power m power n is equals to x power mn, this one. So it becomes x power 6 is equals to 2 power 2 times 6. So x power 6 is equals to 2 power 12. Now write x as a power of 2. So let x is equals to 2 power k. Then 2 power k whole power 6 is equals to 2 power 12. So it becomes 2 power 6k is equals to 2 power 12. Now if we compare both sides, if the base are equal, their power are also equal. So 6k is equals to 12, k is equals to 12 by 6, k is equals to 2. Now let's recall the value of k. So x is equals to 2 power k. So x is equals to 2 power 2. So x is equals to 4. So this method only gives the positive root because we expressed as x is equals to 2 power k. So to get both answers, we must remember x power 6 is equals to 4 power 6. So x is equals to plus minus 4. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.